guys, welcome back. Hello if you're new. Yes, I've got my witch hat on, and yes, I've got my It's Fall Y'all shirt on. Today I'm going to be doing a tour of my house with my Halloween decorations. I will try to my best remember where I got everything. So, sorry if you can hear my dishwasher in the background. It's life. Dishes need to be washed. And my washer is going, so if you can hear that also. My dogs decided to be ornery this morning, so yeah, the door's shut. Okay, so we will get into the tour. Okay, when you walk in, I've got the same fall things. These are hangers that I need to give to a friend. It's pretty much the same as my fall tour. I just added a few Halloween things, like the witch legs and witch broom over here. I thought that was kind of cute. Just added a witch broom here because I didn't know really where to put it. The witch legs, I am trying to think where I got them. And yes, I have a skeleton right there. And one of the arms fell off. So it looks really spooky with an arm missing. Trying to think where I got the witch legs at. I want to say Walmart last year. And then the witch broom is from Hobby Lobby, and it's got glitter on it. This witch broom is from Dollar Tree last year. This is from Walmart. I actually forgot that I had gotten it. I just added one Halloween pumpkin down here. It's white with a black top. And this sign says trick or treat. I was gonna hang it, but I just haven't had time to do that yet. I just have a white pumpkin candle burning from DW Homes. I kind of kept a lot of it from my fall on here. I kind of switched out a few things, but yeah, so I'll go through. And if you haven't seen my fall tour, I will make sure and link it in the description box. So Hobby Lobby, Goodwill, this is from Walmart. I just added that pumpkin. This is from Goodwill, 99 cents. Dollar Tree, that's a fall pumpkin. This is from Target Dollar Spot from Halloween last year. This table runner is from Walmart, I'm pretty sure. This pumpkin is from Walmart. So in my cheese thing, I have a couple spiders, and I took the fallish things out. And then I've got this Happy Halloween pumpkin on a easel. Come into my living room. It's kind of the same, but a little bit different. Yep, there's my Sonic cup. Hey, Sky. Got an itch. So over here, I want to say this is from Target. I'm pretty sure it's from Target. Oh, it's a double-sided Happy Halloween. I like the Home of the Wicked Witch and her little monsters. I love that saying. This Dollar Tree, Walmart, I'm pretty sure. I got a lot of it last year whenever it went on sale, like a snow globe. Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby. Yes, Hobby Lobby from, I got it on sale. I need to get candles to put in it. This is from Walmart, this is from Hobby Lobby, and these little spiders are the same from the cheese tray, and they're from Walmart as well. Dollar Tree, Aubrey is obsessed with this thing. I think these are from Walmart or Dollar Tree. I just kept my orange wooden pumpkins here, and then this is from Target Dollar Spot. I have the RIP one. I'm not sure where those candles are from, but they when you put a candle in it, it lights up, and it's pretty cool. It looks like the like the windows or whatever. It's cool looking. This little house is actually like supposed to light up. I don't have that cord from it because I got it from Goodwill. This little house is from Michael's. So a lot of this I got on sale. I've got a mouse over here. So yeah. And then on my TV stand. I've got another little fox over here as well. But the fox is from Walmart, got it on sale last year. This is from Dollar Tree. I'll re-put this up here. This is from Walmart. This is from Hobby Lobby. These are from Target this year, and I seen them. It's got the two. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Spider, you'll see them around every now and then. But that pumpkin is from Walmart, I'm pretty sure. And then this Halloween sign is from Hobby Lobby, I'm pretty sure. Nope, Walmart. I got it last year on sale. So this spider is from Dollar Tree, Walmart, Dollar Tree. This one is from Target. And then the fox again. Seth is home, so the dogs are freaking out. The little, oh, and then Thrills and Chills, I'm pretty sure from Target. The pink pumpkin is from Target. The jack-o'-lantern with the hat is from Hobby Lobby. The trick or treat and the skull pillows are from Target. And then the cat is from Dollar Tree. I've got a little purple pumpkin over here from Target as well. I've got a turquoise and a black one right there. The mouse is from Dollar Tree. The pumpkins are from Walmart. And then this jack-o'-lantern candle holder is from, I can't remember. And then the little vampire is from Hobby Lobby. Excuse the dog here. Barf. I'm wearing sandals with socks and shorts. Heck yes. And then we have a tic-tac-toe board. I got that at Target. And then in here I've just got some spiders and a Happy Halloween deal. Okay, and then in my kitchen, I didn't change much. Kind of just added a few things. That's an overview. Oh, I always do this usually in every holiday. I have just like magnets. I got the magnets from Dollar Tree. I got these from TJ Maxx. They are so cute with the little, oh my goodness, so cute. Then I got this from Hobby Lobby, clearanced out last year. This one clearanced out last year as well at Hobby Lobby. So this is like my favorite spot. We got hummingbirds out there. Okay, so the silver and black skulls are from Walmart. These are from, oh my gosh, Hobby Lobby. And all I did is I added water and food coloring. These are from Walmart, this is from Walmart, and this is from Target Dollar Spot. And this is from Target. And I just added purple food coloring, and this one I added green food coloring. And then here I've got my basic witch coffee mug. I don't drink coffee, so it just is for decoration. And then I don't have anything over here. And my little witch, I think she is so cute. I put her on the back. And then I have these I got from Hobby Lobby. This one was like 90% off because it was broken and it was after Halloween. Yes, there was a fly. And then the witch's brew, and then I've just got a pumpkin, or I think it's like a pumpkin waffle candle burning in there, so it kind of looks like a witch's brew type deal. It's kind of cool. But so that's all I did this year, Halloween decoration wise. Usually I decorate my porch and go all out, but we're in the process of, I think we might be buying a house and we might be moving within the month. So that's what's been going on, and I mentioned it in my Get Ready With Me that I put up today, because today is Wednesday and I'm getting ready to put that up today. I'm a little late on it. I just gotta finish typing everything out. And then I mentioned it in my Decorate With Me, and if you haven't seen it, I'll link it below. And I have a fall Decorate With Me. I'll link it, and my fall home tour below. But if you guys want to see any other fall or Halloween type videos. Seth's putting the tire back on my car. Just let me know. I'm open for anything, and yes, I will be filming our house and all of that. There's a bunch that has to be redone on it. It's a fixer-upper, so yeah. It is a fixer-upper, guys. There's a lot of work that needs to be done in it. So yeah, we're getting ready to put a roof on it and fix the ceilings, and then we should be able to paint and move in. So as soon as we can paint, we will be moving in. But yeah, I'll be filming all of that. Like I said, it is a fixer-upper, so it is not going to be as nice as the house we are in now. We're fixing it up all on our own with our own money, so yeah. Yeah, so I'm scared but ready and excited, if that makes any sense. So yes, I will see you guys in the next one, and happy Halloween season, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.